First day at work. Hello, Alex. Welcome aboard. I'm Sarah from HR.
Hello, Sarah. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm here to help you with your full onboarding today and make sure everything is ready for your start. Let's head inside. Okay, first things first, your laptop. This is your work laptop. The IT team has already set up the operating system. Now we're going to install the necessary software. Email, Teams, the project management tool. These are the tools you'll use every day. I'll give you the temporary password so you can change it immediately.
Sounds great. Absolutely. Thank you for guiding me through this.
My pleasure. If you have any trouble using a specific application or need new access rights, just let me know. Next step, your access card. This card is necessary for building entry and access to certain internal areas. Please sign here. Keep this card with you at all times. Also, remember that you need to swipe in and out every morning and evening to log your hours. If you lose your card, notify me or security immediately.
Noted. I understand.
Let's take a quick tour of the office. This is the main corridor. If you need to work with other departments like finance or sales, their offices are down this way. And this is the kitchen and break area. You can use the microwave to heat up your lunch, and the coffee machine is right there. Coffee and tea are free for everyone.
That's nice. It looks like a relaxing space.
It is. Official lunch hour is 12 to 1, but it's flexible as long as it's coordinated with your team. The men's restrooms are at the end of that hall, and we also have a small quiet room over there for taking a break. And this is your own workstation. Your personal cabinets are here. The key is on the desk. If you need any stationery, the supply cupboard is here. Feel free to take what you need. Hi, everyone. Could I have your attention? I'd like to introduce Alex, the newest member of your team. Alex is joining us as a business developer. Key practical terms and phrases. Onboarding and roles. Number 1. Welcome aboard. A warm greeting for a new employee. Number 2. I'm from HR. HR stands for Human Resources. Number 3. Full onboarding. The complete process of integrating a new employee. Number 4. Let's head inside. A common way to suggest moving to a new location. Number 5. Newest member of your team. Standard phrase for introductions. Number 6. Joining us as a job title. Used to introduce the new employee's role. For example, a business developer. Number 2. Technology and access. Number 1. Work laptop. The company-provided computer. Number 2. Operating system. The main software, like Windows or Mac OS. Number 3. Install the necessary software. To put required programs on the computer. Number 4. Project management tool. Software used to organize teamwork, like Trello or Jira. Number 5. Temporary password. A password that must be changed immediately. Number 6. Specific application. A particular program like Excel or Photoshop. Number 7. Need new access rights. Needing permission to use certain files, systems, or folders. Number 3. Security and time tracking. Number 1. Access card. The ID badge or key card used to enter the building. Number 2. Building entry. The process of getting into the office. Number 3. Internal areas. Restricted zones inside the office. Number 4. Keep this card with you at all times. Important instruction for security. Number 5. Swipe in and out. To use the access card reader to register your presence. Number 6. Log your hours. To officially record the time you spent working. Number 7. Notify me or security immediately. What to do if something goes wrong, like losing the card. Number 8. Noted. I understand. Professional way to confirm you received and comprehended an instruction. Number 4. Office layout and facilities. Number 1. Take a quick tour to briefly see the facility. Number 2. Main corridor. The central hallway. Number 3. Other departments. Different teams in the company. For example, finance, sales. Number 4. Kitchen and break area. where staff can eat and relax. Number 5, heat up your lunch. Using the microwave. Number 6, coffee machine is right there, showing the location of a common facility. Number 7, coffee and tea are free for everyone, indicating complimentary beverages. Number 8, relaxing space, a descriptive term for a comfortable area. Number 9, official lunch hour, the designated time for lunch. Number 10, restrooms and end of that hall, professional terms for bathrooms and locations. Number 11, quiet room, a space for breaks or private calls. Number 12, your own workstation, your personal desk setup. Number 13, personal cabinets, lockable storage for belongings. Number 14, feel free to take what you need, a polite way to grant permission.
Hi there. I haven't seen you before. Are you new here?
Hi, yes, I am. I just joined the company last week.
Nice. Welcome aboard. I'm David. I work in the marketing department.
Oh, nice to meet you, David. I'm Alex. I work in the finance department.
Great. What exactly do you do there?
I'm responsible for preparing monthly reports and checking budgets.
Sounds interesting. How long have you been working in finance?
About 3 years now. What about you? How long have you been with the company?
Almost 5 years. Our team works closely with yours, actually.
Really? I've heard a lot about your team already.
That's good to hear. If you need anything, feel free to ask.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Maybe we can grab a coffee sometime?
Sure. Sounds good. Welcome again, Alex.
Number 1. Hi, I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you. Number 2. I just joined the company last week. Number 3. I work in the marketing department. Number 4. I'm responsible for checking the reports. Number 5. Where do you work? Number 6. How long have you been with the company? Number 7. That sounds interesting. What exactly do you do? Number 8. I've heard a lot about your team. Number 9. If you need anything, feel free to ask. Number 10. Let's grab a coffee sometime.